Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Here is the question. If f of x equals 2x plus 1 over x minus 1, what is the value of inverse f of 3? This notation means the inverse function of f. We are going to discuss two methods to solve this question. First method, we want to find the inverse function first, then plug in the x value. We define x equals 2y plus 1 over y minus 1. Look at this definition for f of x. F of x is the y value. Here we have x. Now we want to find its inverse. In mathematics, people always use x as the variable, y as the function of x. So here we have to swap x with y to find the inverse function of f. Here is y, here is x. Now we change y to x, change x to y. We have this definition. We solve this equation for x to find y in terms of x. Y is the inverse function of f. Both sides times y minus 1. The right-hand side y minus 1 cancel. Left-hand side we have y minus 1 here. Simplify, we have xy minus x equals 2y plus 1. We move 2y to the left-hand side and negative x to the right-hand side. We factor y out. X minus 2y equals x plus 1. Both sides divided by x minus 2. We have y equals x plus 1 over x minus 2. What is y? Y is the inverse of f. This implies inverse of f of x equals x plus 1 over x minus 2. What is the value of the inverse of f of 3? Just replace x by 3 here as 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 2, which is 4. 4 is the answer. The second method, if we don't care the inverse function, we only care the function value, we can do this. 3 is the value here, x value inside part, and swap x and y. So here we rewrite x as y, y as x, similar to the definition in the method 1. We solve this equation for y. Y is the inverse of f of 3. The y value is 3 here. Both sides times y minus 1. The left-hand side is 3y minus 3. The right-hand side, y minus 1 cancel. Then you have 2y plus 1. Move this y to the left-hand side, negative 3 to the right-hand side. 3y minus 2y equals 1y. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 is the answer of the inverse of 3. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.